Hello dear students, today we are going to derive the values of trigonometric ratio for some specific angles. So let's find out the values of trigonometric ratio for 45 degree. So for this, let's consider the triangle ABC, which is right angle at B, and angle C and angle A are equal to 45 degree. And since two angles of the triangles are equal, so we can say the sides opposite to equal angles will be equal. So here we can say the side AB and BC will be equal. So let's say AB and BC are equal to x. Now if you want to find out the hypotenuse, so here we can use the Pythagoras theorem. So according to Pythagoras theorem, AC square will be equal to AB square plus BC square. So AB is x and BC is also x, so it becomes 2x square. So AC square is equal to 2x square, so we can say AC will be equal to root 2x. Now let's find out the values of trigonometric ratios. First trigonometric ratio, that is sine 45. Let's consider this 45 degree angle, that is angle A. So you can use the formula sine is the ratio of opposite side to the hypotenuse. So here this opposite side is equal to x and hypotenuse is equal to root 2x. So here x is cancelled out, so we get the value of sine 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. Same way, if you want to find out the value of cos 45, so cos 45 is the ratio of adjacent side and hypotenuse. So for this 45 degree angle, this x is the adjacent side and root 2x is the hypotenuse. So x is cancelled out, so we get value of cos 45 is also equal to 1 by root 2. And in the trigonometric ratios, if you know the value of sine and cos, then you can easily find out the values of other trigonometric ratio. For example, if you want to find out the value of tan 45, so we know that the tan is the ratio of sine and cos. So we can write tan 45 equal to sine 45 divided by cos 45, and we know the value of sine 45 and cos 45. So here if you put the value, this will be cancelled out, so we get tan 45 is equal to 1. Now if you want to consider find out the value of cosec 45, cosec is the reciprocal of sine 45. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2, so cosec 45 will be root 2. Same way, sec 45 is the reciprocal of cos 45. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2, so sec 45 will be root 2. And last, cot 45. That is the reciprocal of tan 45. Here tan 45 is 1, so 1 divided by 1, so we get tan 45 is also equal to 1. So this way, if you find out the value of sine and cos, the rest of the trigonometric ratio you can easily find out. So this way we can find out the values of trigonometric ratio for 45 degree. Now let's find out the values of trigonometric ratio for other angle. Let's find out for 60 degree and 30 degree. So to find out the values of trigonometric ratio for 30 degree and 60 degree, let's consider one equilateral triangle. Let's say this is the equilateral triangle ABC. Now if you draw the perpendicular bisector from A, then here this bisector will divide this line BC into two equal parts. Let's say this will be x. And if you want to find out the length of AD, so here if you use the Pythagoras theorem, AB square will be equal to AD square plus BD square. So we can write AD square will be equal to AB square minus BD square. So AB square will be equal to 2x square and BD square is x square. So 2x square is 4x square minus x square, so we will get 3x square. AD square equal to 3x square. So value of AD is under root 3x. Now here, since ABC is the equilateral triangle, it means this angle B will be equal to 60 degree. And if you want to find out the value of sine 60 degree, so we know that sine is the ratio of opposite side and hypotenuse. So here for this 60 degree, this opposite side AD, that is equal to root 3x, and hypotenuse is equal to 2x. So this x will be cancelled out, so we will get the value of sine 60 degree root 3 by 2. And same way, if you want to find out the value of cos 60, that is the ratio of adjacent side and hypotenuse. So cos 60 will be equal to adjacent side is x and hypotenuse is 2x. This is the adjacent side x and hypotenuse 2x. So we get the value of cos 60 will be equal to 1 by 2. And if you know the values of sine and cos for 60 degree, you can find out the value of tan, cosec, sec and cot. Now let's find out the values of trigonometric ratio for 30 degree angle. So let's find out value of sine 30 degree. So here, if you see this triangle ADB, this angle BAD will be equal to 30 degree because this AD is the angle bisector. So those both angle will be equal to 30 degree. So if you consider this angle 30 degree, so for find out the value of sine 30 degree, we will take the ratio of opposite side and hypotenuse. So here for this 30 degree angle, this opposite side is equal to x and hypotenuse is 2x. So this x is cancelled out, so we get the value of sine 30 degree 1 by 2. And if you want to find out the value of cos 30, the formula is adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. So for this 30 degree, the adjacent side is equal to root 3x and hypotenuse is 2x. So here we get the value of cos 30 equal to root 3 by 2. So this way we can derive the value of any trigonometric ratio for 60 degree and 30 degree. Now let's derive the value of trigonometric ratio for 0 degree. So let's consider here the triangle ABC. And if you want to make this angle A equal to 0 degree, it means and if you want to make this angle A equal to 0 degree, so we will keep let's find out the values of trigonometric ratio for 0 degree. So let's consider the triangle ABC. Now here, if you want to make this angle A equal to 0 degree, so we keep on decreasing the value of angle A. So if you decrease, the length of side BC will be decreasing and further decreasing. And same way, if you keep on decreasing the value of angle A, and the angle A will be 0, at that point, the point B and C become coincide. Means the value of BC, the line BC will be equal to 0. Because point B and C both will be at the same point. Now here, if you want to find out the value of sine 0 degree. So here sine 0 is opposite side divided by hypotenuse. So the opposite side, that is equal to BC, and hypotenuse is AC. So the opposite side BC, that is equal to 0, and 0 divided by anything will be 0 only. Here the AC will not be equal to 0. So 0 divided by AC, that will be 0. And if you want to find out the value of cos 0, so cos is the ratio of adjacent side and hypotenuse. So for cos 0 degree, adjacent side is AB and hypotenuse is AC. But if you see here, at 0 degree, the length of AB and AC both will be equal. So here, in place of AC, you can write AB, because when the angle A becomes 0, the length of AB and AC both will be equal. So this AB will be cancelled out. So we get cos 0 is equal to 1. So sin 0 is 0 and cos 0 is 1. Now from those two ratios, you can find out the value of tan, cosec, sec, cot, everyone, right? And now let's find out the value of trigonometric ratio for 90 degree. So here let's consider triangle ABC, which is right angle at B. And now if you want to make this angle A 90 degree, we want to increase the angle A, then it become 90 degree. So let's keep on increasing the angle A. Here the angle A at this time will be greater than this angle. And same way, if you keeps on increasing, at the time when angle A is equal to 90 degree, the point A and B both will be coincide with each other. It means the length of side AB will become 0. And here if you want to find out the value of sin 90 degree, so sin 90 is the ratio of opposite side divided by hypotenuse. So the opposite side here is BC and hypotenuse is AC. But if you see the figure, when angle A is 90 degree, the AC and BC both are equal. So in place of AC you can write BC. So they will be cancelled out. So we get sin 90 degree will be equal to 1. And if you find out the value of cos 90 is adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. So in this figure, this adjacent side, that is AB, and hypotenuse is AC. But when the angle A become 90 degree, the length of side AB becomes 0. So 0 divided by AC, so we got the value of cos 90 degree is equal to 0 degree. So this is how you can find out the value of trigonometric ratio for different angles. And if you write it in tabular form, this is the trigonometric table. So this way we have find out the value of different trigonometric ratio at 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. And this table is very important for this chapter. Let's see the simple method to remember this table. Just remember the values of sin. Sin 0 is 0, sin 30 1 by 2, sin 45 1 by root 2, sin 60 root 3 by 2 and sin 90 1. Now if you want to write the values for cos, then write the values of sin in reverse way. Start from 1, this way. So this is the cos 0 1, cos 30 root 3 by 2, cos 45 1 by root 2, cos 60 1 by 2 and cos 0 0. Next, if you want to write for the tan, so tan is the ratio of sin and cos. So just divide the values of sin and cos. Here if you divide 0 divided by 1, then you will get 0 divided by 1 0. So you get tan 0 0. Same way here if you divide 1 by 2 and root 3 by 2. So this 2 will be cancelled out. So we get 1 divided by root 3. Here if you divide 1 by root 2 and 1 by root 2, so it will be cancelled out. So we get 10, 45, 1. Here if you divide this 2 and 2, so this is root 3 by 1 is equal to root 3. And if you divide 1 with 0, so which is not possible, the division of any number with 0 is not possible. So value of tan 90 is not defined. Same way if you want to find out the cosec, cosec is the reciprocal of sin. So whatever value you have for the sin, just do the reciprocal of that. So here 0 is, so reciprocal of 0 is not possible, so the value of cosec 0 is not defined. If you want to find out the value of cosec 30, so your sin 30 is 1 by 2, so reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2 by 1. So this is cosec 30. Cosec 45, that is the reciprocal of sin 45, that is 1 by root 2, so reciprocal of that is root 2 by 1. Same way here, root 3 by 2 become 2 by root 3, and 1, reciprocal of 1 is 1 only. Now if you want to write for the sec, so write the value of cosec in the reverse way. Start from this 1, then 2 by root 3 like this. So this is 1, 2 by root 3, root 2, 2, and last not defined. And again, if you want to write for the cot, write the reverse of tan. Start from this not defined, then root 3, then 1, 1 by root 3, and 0. So this way we can remember this table in easy way.